Hello children! Today let's learn about two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. I hope you remember what we have learned in KG. The objective of this lesson is to identify shapes as two-dimensional figure or three-dimensional figure. Let's first recall what we have learned in our previous years. What is a two-dimensional shape? A two-dimensional shape has sides, corners and completely flat like circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, pentagon, hexagon and octagon. This is the shape of a circle. This is a triangle which has three sides. This is the shape of a square which has four equal sides. This is the shape of a rectangle where opposite sides are equal. Now let's look into three-dimensional shape. What is a three-dimensional shape? Do you recall what we have learned in our previous year? Three-dimensional shapes, or it is a solid figure. It has three measurements: length, breadth and height. The first picture shows you the image of a sphere. Can you relate it to any object? A football is the best example of a sphere. This is an image of a cube. The image of a cube is related to dice. This is an image of a cylinder. Can you relate this cylinder to any object that we use in everyday life? The straw which we use to drink juice is in the shape of a cylinder. You all know what is this shape. Yes, it is the shape of a cone. The ice cream we eat is in the shape of a cone. Now let's compare two-dimensional figure and three-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional shapes, we have the circle, we have the rectangle, a square, a triangle, hexagon which is 6 sides. So all these are grouped into two-dimensional column. Why? Because it is a flat surface. It is having a plane surface. How do you know it is a flat surface? One way of thinking of two-dimensional shape is that anything that can be drawn on a piece of paper is having a two-dimensional shape. Okay, it will be having a length and it will be having a breadth. Now let's come on to three-dimensional shape. A three-dimensional shape, we have the cylinder, we have a cube, we have a sphere, we have a cone. So all these are solid figures and it will be having three measurements: the length, the width and the height. Now let's sort some of the shapes into two-dimensional or three-dimensional column. We have the matchbox, we have a book which is cuboid in shape, we have a triangle, we have a circle, we have a dice and the last one is a candle. Let's try to group them into two-dimensional or three-dimensional figure. I hope you have grouped all them. Check if matchbox is a 3D shape, a book is a 3D shape or not, a triangle is a 2D shape or 3D shape, a circle is a 2D shape or 3D shape, a dice is a 2D shape or 3D shape, a candle is a two-dimensional figure or three-dimensional figure. Let's check our answers now. So, what all objects come in two-dimensional shapes? Let's check. Triangle. A triangle which is three sides is 2D shape. A circle is also comes under a 2D shapes. Now let's check what comes under 3D shapes. A matchbox which is in the shape of a cuboid comes under 3D shape. A book which is a cuboid in shape also comes under 3D shape because it's a solid figure. Next we have a dice, a cube in shape. We have a candle, We have a candle which is cylinder in shape. That's all for today, children. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and reviewed what we have learned in KG. You did an awesome work. Thank you.